In this lesson, you're going to learn about the plant life cycle. So you're going to see a picture of what a lima bean life cycle looks like. You're going to learn about how it starts at germination and then goes all the way to seed dispersal. But you're also going to learn later on in the lesson about inherited traits. So that's what we're going to talk about today, are traits and behaviors. So there is a difference, and we're going to talk about plants and animals. And tomorrow you're going to do a Generation Genius on life cycles of plants and animals. So you'll get to learn about the plants again tomorrow. But we're going to talk about traits and behaviors. So a trait is something that a person, a plant, an animal, it's something that we're born with. So think about a cactus. A cactus doesn't have to be taught to get its thorns or spines, whatever you call them. They help protect the cactus from animals in the desert. Other inherited traits of plants might inherit their color. They might inherit their size. They are things that when the seed starts to germinate, the plant is just, it comes with. So the cactus never had to think about getting the spines or the thorns. It was born with it. It was an inherited trait. A behavior is something that is learned. So another trait, like these birds, you see how these birds have different beaks? They are born with their beaks. So they probably eat different foods. That's why birds have different beaks depending on where they live and what they eat. They are born with that. I was born with my color hair. I was born with blue eyes. There are things that you're born with. They're traits that you inherit. Behaviors are something that is learned. So, and we see these a lot more with animals than we do with plants. This seal had to learn how to balance the ball on its nose. The way you act, you had to learn. You weren't born doing that. So there is a difference between learned behaviors and inherited traits.